Subscribe to Movie Learnings and click on the bell icon to get notification on all new travel videos.
Neem leaves are shrubs originally from the Hindustani region, precisely in Madhya Pradesh, India. Therefore, the name of the Mimba sounds like Hindustan. Neem plants began to spread throughout the world and managed to grow in Indonesia since the year 1500, precisely growing in the island of Java. Neem leaves boiled in water provide numerous health benefits. Its application provides gentle and very effective relief from ailments. So let's explore the benefits of Neem. 1. Neem leaves for hair, scalp and hair issues. Add a cup of fresh neem leaves to boiling water, and use this water to rinse your hair after shampooing your hair. The antibacterial property of neem helps to treat dry scalp, dandruff and hair fall issues. 2. For injuries, a burn injury can be healed faster with the usage of neem water. The application of neem water on the burned surface helps to recover the skin faster and also protects against allergy and infection on the infected area. 3. Eye wash. Boil fresh neem leaves in water for about 10 minutes and let it cool completely. Use this water as an eye wash during conjunctivitis and irritation of the eyes. 4. To treat sore throat and tired foot, gargling with neem water provides relief to sore throat and soaking the feet in warm neem water provides relief to the footache. 5. Skin toning. Neem leaves for skin can also be used as a toner. Just dip a cotton ball in boiled neem water and wipe your face with it overnight. This will clear acne, scars, pigmentation and blackheads, and you can use a fresh neem paste for purifying the skin. 6. Viral disease. Neem leaves have often been used in India to treat viral diseases. Neem leaves extract, absorbs and eliminates virus. As a preventive measure, you can prepare a neem paste and apply on the affected area. Due to its antiviral activity, neem leaves are boiled and are used for bathing, especially for those who are suffering from skin ailments. This provides respite to conditions such as eczema, cold sores and warts. It soothes inflammation by soothing itching and irritation. Neem leaves also helps to remove intestinal parasites and restores healthy functioning of the intestine. So, these are the uses of neem leaves for hair, skin and health. Are there any more benefits which are not mentioned? You can share them through comments. Thank you for watching. Please do subscribe, like, share and comments this video with your friends.